ఐ లోకేష్. అల్లే పెద్ద పట్టుకోరు.
హాయ్
ఎరా ఏం చేస్తున్నా?
వాషి వాషి
వాషి. ఎరా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారా?
ఎక్కడున్నాను మొన్ననే
ఆ? లేదు మా ఫ్రెండ్ స్టార్ట్ లేదు మీటింగ్. ఇంట్లో ఉన్నావా?
వాషో లేదు ఇక్కడే హాస్టల్
సోకోద్దే.
ఊహా
ఇంకా ఇద్దరు ఎవరు ఉన్నారా? రెండు నేనైనా.
శ్రీరామ్ బాలాజీ మామిడి సిటీ నువ్వే 2 సార్లు ఉన్నావు.
అదే అర్థం కావట్లేదు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది రెండు
ఇదంతా ఎవడో జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు అయితే.
సార్లు. కానీ మ్యూట్ ఆప్షన్ చూడరా రెండిట్లకి ఆఫ్లైన్ ఉంది.
నేను ఆఫ్ చేసేయాలా?
ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకొని చేయండి, చేసి చూయించి కూర్చొని త్వరగా. ఇది చూయిస్తే దాన్ని బట్టి నేను కూర్చోబెడతా త్వరగా, అప్పుడు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదా ఇందా చేసేట్టుకుని పెట్టినవా అసలు నీకు ల్యాప్టాపే లేదా పాడైపోయిందా అనిపిస్తుందా చేద్దాం Morning class, we are discussing about the points. Yeah. Morning class products fail to save and product successfully bought, save, right? So in the controller class, we have the data like if the product is not equal to what? Tell me guys, product is what? Not equal to null. Then product success at HTML, product failed at HTML. But in the product success at HTML, I written a static message. Do you think this is a static message, dynamic message, or static message? Directly I written the message that product saved successfully, right? Product saved what? Successfully. But this kind of static messages are not good, guys. I need to send a dynamic message to the view layer. See, if it is successfully, is what file executing here? Product success file executing. To the product success file, I need to send the dynamic message. Dynamic message means what? One, you take one variable like, message variable. You take one variable, guys, message variable. Yeah, you take the message variable, something like message equal to, what did you guys say, product what? Tell me, product what? Saved. Product saved what amount? Successfully, right? Product saved successfully. Like that, you need to send the message. Then this is the message like, dynamic message. Either product saved successfully or product saved what? Success failed. Like that, we need to send a dynamic message. So you need to send the dynamic message to the view layer. What the view tell me here? Product successful. To this view layer, I need to send the message. Any data to send the data to what layer? View layer. But we decided like, to the view. What view tell me here? Product success view. To the product success view, I want to send the, some message. So that guy will print that message. To the view, how you send the message to the view layer? That's a question. How you will send the, see guys, you are sending the view is what tell me here, product success. To that view, you send some message. So that in the view layer, they will print that message. What message is product saved successfully? Then the question is what? How to send the message to what layer? View layer. Tell me guys, how to send a message to view layer? How to send the, tell me, message to what layer is here? View layer. Tell me, how to send a message to view layer? Hey, view layer, you don't print the message directly, static message. Product saved successfully, product saved failed. That is a static message. That should not be there in the real time. The real time you have the static message, dynamic message. Dynamic message means here how to send the you send the message to what layer? View layer. How to send the message to view layer? You send the message to view layer, the view layer they'll print that message just. They will what? Print the message. Tell me how to send a message to view layer? How to send the message to view layer? By adding a what object? Model object, guys. Exactly. That's what this here. Save product data method is there. Morning class you take argument is at direct model attribute. Common now you take one object is what? Model object. You take the model object, guys. Model object. In this model object, you add the data like model dot. Tell me guys, model dot what? Add attribute. Model dot add attribute give the that is like message here. What the message tell me here? Product. Tell me guys. Product what? Saved successfully. As a product saved what mark successfully. That's a message I'm going to send to what? View. So how to send the message to view layer means we need to add that message into what object gets here? Model object. Model dot what? Add attribute. That model object you can take it as a method argument. You take it as what? Another argument. Now tell me guys, same model object you can go for the product failed at HTML. Product what? Failed at HTML. Product failed at HTML. Otherwise, you do one thing. Morning class, you take the two files. One is the product success file and product what? Fail file. Let me change that name. Just let me take one file better. Don't take the two files here. The template folder. Morning class is what? Product failure. Product success. Then let me rename this file. Go for the refactor and what? Rename. Tell me some meaningful name for this one. Product insertion status. Product what? Insertion status. See guys, this is a product insertion status. Right click on what? Refactor. Morning class you take how many files guys here? Two files. But two files are required, not required. Not required. Just you can make one file. If success message is coming, display success message. Failure message is coming, display what message? Failure message. That's all. Two things required. One is enough. One is enough. That's what guys. Right click on the file and go for the refactor and what? Rename the file. And yeah. This is called product success file. This is product. Tell me guys. Product what? Insertion status. Product insertion status.html file. Nice. Go for the only one file. Product insertion status.html file. Go for the product control. The product controller, if it is product not equal to null, this is what message guys here? Success message. This is success message and this is the data we need to send and this one is what? At the rate model attribute. At the rate one model attribute. This is success message or error message? Error message. This is called error message. This is called what? Success message. In both cases, you are sending the request to what product? Product insertion. Yeah, product insertion hyphen status. Product insertion hyphen status, guys. I don't want send the two files here. The same file I want return. If it is failed also else block also same file you can return. Same file you can return. So no, yeah, product insertion button status. If it is like go for the product insertion status, guys. Here let me write the message. Write the message. Tell me, guys. You please take one div tag for the displaying the data here. Div tag th colon you can take the if time if is supporting the if condition like if you write the double quotes dollar braces if tell me, guys, if what success message is present, you please check this variable names, guys. There is a variable name. What the message here? Success message. If it is success message like this, success message and what? Second one is what, guys, here? Error message. Coming to the product insertion status message status here. If tell me, guys, if what? If success message. If success message means what? If condition success message is present, it returns the true. Success message present means what? Returns the true. Returns the true. Return the true means you can take the h1 tag, guys. Th colon to print the data text attribute we need to use. Guys, time leaf colon if. Wait, time leaf colon what? If. Time leaf colon if success message you can write like this. Second one is what? If success message is there, success message is what? There. Then if returns what? True. If returns what? True. If returns the true means print the data. How to print the data? Th colon text. Th colon what? Text. Here also you can write what? Dollar braces, no problem. And th colon text. What you want to print, guys? What you want to print? If the message, see, guys, if I am giving that variable means if the data present return the true. If it is a true means what? Print the data like this. Enough. Print the data. What data, guys, here? Success message data, right? That's it, guys. So if you want, you can write the style attribute. Style is what? Color. Just you can add the, tell me, guys, green light. That's it. Enough. A same code you can copy paste one more time. What one more time here? If error message. If error message means what? Error message is present, return what? True. If it is a true, then H1 code executed. If it is a true, then what happened here? H1 code execute, right? Exactly. Okay, this is just a th colon if is like checking the if condition, guys. Th colon text is printing the data. What data here? This is what message? Error message. That's it. See, guys, still here you got some warnings underlined, like we got the warnings, guys. I don't want to agree this warning also. Undefined attribute name is what? Th colon if. That's what, guys. Morning class add product and HTML file. Here you can see the HTML XML namespace is there. You copy that namespace and just you can place the namespace on the top of your file. This is the product insertion file. HTML you can take that XML namespace. Also, if you take the time leaf namespace, are you getting any warnings or without warnings? Without warnings. Right, that's it, guys. A th colon if to test the if condition, data present means return the true. Data is not present means return false. Second one is what? Th colon text is used to print the data. A th colon text some syntax is what? Th colon text. What the text is here? Dollar braces. Yeah, both are same. Just you can write the dollar what braces. This is like dollar braces. Th colon text dollar what braces. See, if the data is error message is there, print the error message. Success message is there, then get print what? Success message, right? Right, that's it, guys. Go for the controller class, you please save it. No errors at all. Application is running fine. Go to the file now. In the file, you go back and you please check the data. Guys, I think in my system already some details are entered. See, LSS here. Yeah. Select the star from, select what? Star from what data, guys, here? Products. Select the star from product, you can check the data, guys. Oh, I think I have some multiple products are there. See, here we have the multiple data. How can you drop only data? How can you drop only data? Table should be there. I want drop only data. Okay, drop the table. Drop table. Table name is what? Product. Drop table. Table name is product. Table is dropped here. Just you can go for what? Comment. COMMIT. Commit is done. Guys, you please rerun the project once. That's fine. Click on the refresh. Just select the potato, 100 rupees. Apple quantity is what? 2. Okay, click on what button now? Save. Once if you click on the save button, now you got the message is what? Product saved successfully. Product insertion status, right? This is a message, guys. Success message is coming. Is a static message or dynamic message? Exactly. Let's come to the browser, click on what? Save. Now see the output here. Wow. You got the data like This is not for issue. Okay, 1 second. The ESA table is just now we drop the table, right? That's what is not recognizing the table. Recognizing or not recognizing? Project already started. You drop the table. Insertion operation is doing. Then table is not recognized. Yeah, now table is ready. Now we can go to the browser. Just you can go back. Just you can click on go back. You check the last message. Spring Boot application started. Click on what? Save. Guys, if you click on the save, guys, now you can see the message that is a product save was successfully. So this is a static message, dynamic message. What? Okay, the dynamic message, guys. Dynamic message displayed by HTML, but given by what? HTML product controller. Product controller. If you want any proof, let me write some product saved successfully. Let me change the message is what? Dynamic message. Static message, dynamic message. Dynamic message, right? You just you can go back, click on what? Potato and we can write the tomato. Tomato, click on what quantity is like 3 I want 100 is like 200 you can make it as click on what save. Then what the message you got is product saved successfully. Static message, dynamic message. Like that, guys. As a product saved successfully, dynamic messages. So you got it up. That is information, guys. This is a success message. This is called what message? This is failure message. Success on what? Failure message. Success on bottom up. But you are getting static message, dynamic message. Dynamic message. Like that, you please enter the sum of products. Tomato, potato. Tell me some of product name. Tomato, potato. Tomato, potato. Binjal, binjal. Binjal 300 and what? Something like click on what? Save. Product sold successfully, dynamic message. Tell me one more product like carrot, something like product sold successfully. Guys, you please go through the data like is nice IDs we got, random IDs we got 153, 202, 203, 204. See guys, there is IDs are created fine. This is the apple, potato, tomato, brinjal, and what? Carrot. Guys, you please read the data. Please read the data. Tell me guys, product controller get the data. Get one product, all products are all products. Tell me how to get all the products. At the rate what mapping? Get mapping. Get mapping what? Slash get all. Something like you are like making the get all. That's it. Just you can write public and what? String. Get all products. Get all what products. See, get all means are you giving any inputs? No input. Just you are calling the URL is what? Get all. Then tell me next one is what? You can call the service layer. This is what? Product service dot what? Get all products. Get all products. But service layer, this method is there or not there? There. Not there means just you can place the cursor. Place the cursor, create the method. Then get all products is there. Get all products there, then you can go for the employee Product repository dot, how do you get all? Find out. Yeah, you got the find out. Final returns one of data list of products are. List of products. I got the list of products. These are one product of multiple products are. List of products. Then you can go for the return statement. Return statement here, products. The return type is what? Get all products. Return type is the list of list of products. You take the list of what data gets your products. Now go for the controller layer, you call this method. When you call this method, get all products, returns one product, all products are. All products which format, format. List of what? Products. Then you can go for what? Products. That's it. See guys, this is the products. I want the return. See, get all products, you call the URL get all products. You call the URL is one. What I want return to you? What I want return to you? You ask like get all. What I have to give? All the products. All the products are view na. In the view I have to give, right? See, just we can go for what statement here? Return statement. Or statement return. Return statement, let me go with like tell me, let me go with what? What you can say? I got all the products fine. I want to give the only products. See, REST APIs I give only products, guys. But this REST API, MVC. MVC means what? All the products are view of. I need to give the view. To the view, I need to give any data. I need to give what? View. What is the view like? Product hyphen list. That is my view name. To that view, in this view, what do you want to display? In that view, what do you want to display? Products. In this view, what you want to display means that is called what? Products. Then tell me how to send the products to this view layer. How to send the, see guys, previously also. How to send the message to view layer. Here what the person tell me here. How to send the products objects to what layer? View layer. Tell me how to send the product objects to view layer. See guys, always you return what? View. So you return what? View. To that view, you have to give some data. To that view, we have to give what? Some data. Here, how to send the products to what layer? View layer. What is the view layer here? Products. Product list is the view layer. Why product list is what? View layer. Then how to send the products to view layer? Model. Model we need to create the object. Argument we have to take. Argument we have to take. That is like model. Just tell me model dot. Add attribute of what? Products. Products double quotes what? Key and value, right? Just you can write that this is the key. Key is what? Key is the products and value also you can make it as a products. Fine. See here, this is the key. This key I use in the view layer. See, for example, if I give the ABC like this, products is my data. I add into what object? Model object. What I'm adding? Products I'm adding. With what name I'm adding here? ABC. View layer will get the data from what object? Model object. Wait, how to send the data to product view layer, guys? By adding into what object? From the model object, the view layer will read the data. In the view layer, in the what layer? View layer. The view layer read the data from which object? The view layer, tell me, the view layer read the data from which object? Hey, view layer read the data from which object? Model object using what? Model object. Using what? Using model object key name. That is correct, right? Model object key name. See, this is called adding the model object. We are adding what we are adding here. Message. Message is what? Key. Based on the key only we are getting, right? Based on the key or based on the model object? Using model object key name. That's what, guys. Go for the view layer. In the view layer, I need to get the data based on what? ABC. ABC products are. We are adding products, sir. We are adding more products, but giving the name is what? That's what in the view layer, how we get the data? Based on what? ABC. But ABC is good, the products is good. That's what is products. Hey, you please create one more view. Put the view here. Product list. Go for the template folder, guys. The template folder, right click new. I want it what? Go for what? Others. If you go for others, go for what? HTML file and here what? Product list.html. Product list.html, guys. This is my product list.html. But root tag, let me use the HTML is a time leaf support. Yeah, XML namespace. This is actually good. Guys, I want a table format, guys. To take the table format, take what format? Table format. So you take all the products, so table format, first row is the data. Just you can take this one, guys, H2, printing one product, all products are, display all products. What I taken, guys, here, table, just let me check the border. Table border equals something like 5. Guys, first row is what, data heading, heading. That's what first row I taken the TH, ID, name, price, and one more thing is what, brand. First you can take what brand. Last one is what quantity or category quantity. First you can take the quantity. The first row. Second row onwards what? First row is what? Heading. Second row onwards what? That's it. Second row onwards is what? Data. Second row onwards is what? Data. Second row onwards is what? Data. If second row onwards is the data, is that what did I want display here? What did I want display here? Display all the product data, right? HTML comment is syntax is what? This one, yeah. Display one product, all products are. Display one product on all products are. Display all products in table rows. And the first row is what? This first row. First row is what? Exclamatory icon. This is what? Display the table what? Heading. See guys, this is table heading. These all are not important for us. We know this already. TR, TH. These all the concept. Display one row. No, all products. All products which format? Table format, right? Then how? Because products is one product or multiple products. Multiple products means what? They return one product or multiple products are. They return the multiple products. Then how? They return one product or multiple products are. What is the variable name? What is the variable name you have? Product type. Is a variable name products. Variable name is what among products. Then you print one product, all products are. How? Product, all product. All product. How? How means use the TH colon for each load. For each loop is reading one product, multiple products are. Previously I used TH colon if right, time leaf if condition. Now let me use what? Time leaf for each. See guys, there is a time leaf. TH colon each means for each. You know for each syntax, right? Colon, right side is a plural, left side is a singular. We use multiple times, right? Yeah, that is a table clause. Here clause. This is called TH colon each. Each is nothing but what? For each. For each is right side, colon is there. Right side of the colon, products. Right side of the colon is what? Left side is what? Singular product. Then you print the data. What the data here? TD. How to print the data? Table data, right? Table data. Time leaf colon text. Time leaf colon what? Text. Tell me fast. Time leaf colon text. Dollar braces. Product dot ID. That's all. We cut it out. So TH colon like this. Just you can copy this one. TH colon text. TH colon text. TH colon text. TH colon text. Product dot what? ID. Next one is what? Name. Next one is what? Price. Next one is what? Brand. Tell me this last one is what? That's it. That's enough. Displaying one product, all products are in table rows. Using for each. Using for each. Timely for each, guys. Timely for each means what the syntax TH colon each. Print the data means what TH colon text. th colon what text. That's it. Yes. Th colon text to th colon text to th colon text to. Wait, completed task. I think you got the all the products from the database. You return the data is what product list. Once the product list is there, what the URL guys you know. Put the URL guys. Getter. That's all. Hey, getter URL you are sending guys. I'm getting all the products from the database. Then these are the products database data. I'm sending this data to view. What is the view layer tell me? See guys, what view name we are returning to the view, what data we are sending. Don't forget. This is what is the view name? But the view name tell me. To the view, what data we are sending? Huh? Remember the 2 points. What the view is written, and to that view, what we are sending. Tell me guys, what the control method is that? What are the points the controller method will take care? What are the points we need to remember in what? Controller methods. Hey, what are points you remember guys? One is what? First one is what? Return the return what? View name. Return the view name. Second one is what? To that view, what data we are sending. We are sending. Return the view name. Return the view name is what? Simply return what? Tell me guys, return what? Assume the product type on list. That is a return. Return the view name. Second one is what? To that view, what data we are sending to display. To display in that view. To display in that what view. So tell me guys, what the data you are sending here? Model dot add attribute. How many arguments? 2 arguments. One is what? Products. And this is key should in the double quotes, but value should not be in the double quotes. Directly you can write what products. This is the key in the double quotes, right? That's it, yes. To the view what data we are sending to display in what? Here. To display that. That's it. Hey, let me run this project. Yes. To run the project. Yeah, it is already running. Fine. Background. Hey, but the URL very fast. Now, just we can write the get out. See guys, I'm not adding any CSS here. Just we can see the get all. We got the product table. There's the product table. Display one product, all products are. That's it. Get all the products here. That is MVC guys. Here we can add the CSS files in the static folder. We have the static folder. We have one folder, static folder. You add the CSS. And what CSS? Tell me one CSS is an add the button of sorry. New. New. Then go for what? Others. Go for what? CSS right? Table styles dot CSS. Table styles dot CSS like that. Okay. Here you can write the styles. You see this static folder or table styles dot CSS. Then you can go to the ChatGPT. Ask that table styles dot CSS. Table icon what styles dot CSS. Give me some classes. Give me some classes. Then table styles dot CSS. They will give the me some CSS classes names so that it can apply in table tag. You do one thing. I will write only one class. This is a table icon what success. Tell me some color of the table list. Color is what, right? Font, font. Font. Yeah, about the stick and write no, no. Yeah, you write some background color and you write some border and you write some text and then is what? Center. Text and then is what? Center. Light is coming at us? Huh? Alma. Semicolon, yes, you are right. Yes, semicolon. How many classes are written? 4 classes. You write negative classes. I don't know because you're good at the CSS. You write the negative. Table product listed. Table you can go with. Where is the table? Table this one. You write the class. But the class name you written. Table. The class name is a table success. I written the CSS in separate file. I apply the CSS here, right? Yes or no? You come and refresh. It apply not apply no? Why it is not applied? You should not link your file, right? Exactly. Where we have to link under what section? End section. Using what diagram? Link tag. Link link relation we have to write. Relation is what? Style sheet. Next one is what? href. Yeah, href. Table styles the CSS. Table one styles the CSS. This is like table table hyphen stylesc CSS like this. Can go with what? Table styles dot CSS. Yeah, now you can come to the browser refresh. See. Where you written the CSS in the static folder. Static folder you written the CSS file name, you taken some CSS styles and you apply the CSS styles to this one. I want to make look good all of you. You know the CSS styles. CSS styles. Yes, you write the CSS styles, you make the looking is proper, good looking. I'm looking a good looking up. That's it. Very clear, huh? Things very simple thing. Are very simple, but only point is what? What we written here, get all means what we written? Product list. What we written guys? To that product list, what we are giving as input? To the view layer, what we are sending here? Products, right? We are sending what? Products. Yeah, better ones. Once the data saved, send a dynamic message to the viewer. Once the data is what? Data is saved. We can send the dynamic messages to viewer. Product insertion status. Send dynamic message to view layer. Add the data into model object. Send the dynamic message view layer, add the data in model object. Display the model object data in view layer. For here small change, you don't need to do like same view or different view you are doing. Same view means you don't need to write the two times like this. You write if condition, the message, then you can write like this.